Music Promotions.
Have you ever considered how one man, armed with nothing but a guitar and a message, could change the world? This is the story of Bob Marley, a son of Jamaica who became an international symbol of peace, unity, and resistance. Born on the 6th of February, 1945, in the rural town of 9 Mile, Jamaica, Marley's life was a testament to the transformative power of music. His mother, Cedella Booker, nurtured his passion for music, and this passion would guide his journey from the humble streets of 9 Mile to the bustling music scene of Kingston. In the heart of Kingston, in the neighbourhood known as Trench Town, Marley found his tribe. Alongside Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer, Marley formed the Wailers. This was the beginning of a sound that would revolutionise music, blending ska, rocksteady and reggae with potent messages of spirituality, empowerment and rebellion. Songs like Get Up, Stand Up and No Woman, No Cry struck a chord with audiences around the world. Marley's music was more than just rhythm and melody. It was a call to action, a plea for unity, and a voice for those who struggled to be heard. His album, Catch a Fire, was a beacon that brought reggae music and its message to the global stage. But Marley's influence extended far beyond the realm of music. He was a cultural and political dynamo, advocating for Pan-Africanism and the rights of the oppressed. His presence at Zimbabwe's independence celebrations in 1980 was a powerful testament to his commitment to the struggle against colonialism and apartheid. Marley's life may have been cut short in 1981, but his legacy continues to reverberate across time and space. His music has inspired artists from every corner of the globe, while his message of love and unity remains a beacon of hope. The journey of Bob Marley from the rural Jamaican town of 9 Mile to the pinnacle of global fame is a powerful reminder of the potential of music to ignite change. Through his songs and activism, Marley stirred the consciousness of millions, leaving a legacy that continues to echo across generations. As we remember his life and work, we are reminded to strive for a world of peace, justice, and equality, keeping the spirit of one love alive.